Okay, good day viewers. Today I wanted to show some of the more behind the scenes things in my videos because for me it's really more about the journey rather than the destination. So a lot of stuff goes into me planning a trip and also preparing for a trip as well as just the effort of going there. So today I'm just going to be highlighting just how I plan, what I bring with me, as well as just how I travel, I guess. So, yeah, here we go. Okay, so this is my typical routine on finding a nice place to fly. I would typically just look around the general area here and see if there's a park within a 5-mile radius of me to go and check out and try flying. Today I'm probably going to go fly somewhere around here. Seems to be a nice park. I went there last time, and yeah, and then after I would find that park, I would go to air maps to go make sure it is outside of the FAA no-fly zone, so I don't have any legal troubles. And in this case, it's perfectly fine, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically how I plan my trips, and yeah. Okay, so what do I typically bring on a flying trip? Well, for me, I typically just bring my usual flight gear, obviously. Yeah, I'll pack in this bag. I'll probably go over the specifics of my usual flight gear in the later video, but that's not the topic right now, so I'm not going to go over that. I'd also bring a skateboard because that's how I used to get to and from the park, or if you're actually going to be a bit picky about it, I'll say it's a longboard, so yeah. And in my opinion, the most important piece of the puzzle is probably going to have to be a big gallon of water. I typically think that this is actually a bit too much water, so I'd actually pour some of it into another tank just so it doesn't weigh me down while I'm riding around. And yeah, that's basically it. That's what I typically bring. And now, here we go on the adventure. Anyways, I'm on my way now. It's gonna be a bit of a while. In my opinion, it's probably gonna estimate about 45 minutes to get there. But that's okay. I think that's 100% worth it for a good flight. Remember, it's all about the journey, so yeah, peace. I just made it and I'm now on the bike trail. Gonna be approaching there soon. So I'm pretty sure right now you would be asking why I even chose to come here at 2:30 in the afternoon, because it's so hot and sunny. The reason why is because there's less people when it's very sunny, thus making it more safe for me to fly. So yeah, these curious ducks, I wonder what they're up to. They're just walking straight at me right now. Don't know why. Are they gonna be happy about drones too? Who knows? Okay, so just got here. I'm gonna take a drink real quick. Anyways, gotta say, this side of the lake is not as good as the last side, but I'm gonna try to see what I could do with it. And yeah. You might be wondering why I didn't take an Uber or something like that. The reason why I actually go this far and waste this much energy to go find a spot to fly is actually because for me, I tend to overthink things, and when I overthink things, I overcompensate on my rolls and things like that. So if I actually waste some energy to just come here, it actually makes me think a little bit more efficiently rather than overthink. So yeah. Now look at that bird there, chomping on that piece of bread. That was just something cool, sorry. Okay, so this is after the second flight, and I did basically just a cruise around the whole entire lake, so that's pretty cool. Also, just wanted to add that I understand that there are planes there, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a plane out there. I'm actually just outside the FAA no-fly zone by like about 3 blocks. So, in case anyone asks if I am violating any rules, I'm not, alright? Just FYI there. Anyways, that was a nice cruise, and let's see what I could do with the third pack.